In today's session, I will be using a simple two-indicator combination, Bollinger Bands, and two moving average lines. This is one of the combinations I find easier to analyze because it helps me read price movement, trend direction, and chart behavior more clearly. So, for today's session, I will focus completely on this setup and explain how I observe it on the chart. First, I will add the Bollinger Bands indicator. After that, I will adjust its settings as shown on the screen. I will set the band color to white and then save the indicator. After that, I will add the moving average indicator 2 times, and I will adjust the settings for both of them. First, I will modify the settings of the first moving average line. Then, I will change the settings of the second moving average line as well. For this setup, a 15-second candle chart works well, as you can see on the screen. I have now completed almost all the settings. Let's look at this setup on the live chart with a few examples. So in this strategy, there is not much difficult analysis. We just need to focus on a few things. For example, here the market moved near the upper Bollinger Band and then started a downtrend again. This shows that the market is moving down from the overbought zone. At the same time, both moving average lines have crossed each other and turned downward, which is a good sign that a bearish trend may be starting. If you have any questions, you can ask us on Telegram. You will find the link in the description. So, this position has now closed. I think it is better to move to another chart, so that I can explain different chart examples across different market conditions and give you a clearer overall idea of the setup. This is quite a good chart, because charts like this can be very helpful, as their confirmations are better than other types of analysis. Here, the market is moving from an overbought condition toward the oversold side. Both moving average lines have crossed each other and are moving downward. These are two good signs of a market decline. I also get an indication of a strong bearish movement from the middle line, because the market has broken below the middle line and is moving downward. That is why my attention stayed on this chart. Now, we should move to another chart and strengthen our chart analysis practice further. This chart is a little different, but I am going to test it as well. Here, the overall market was moving in a downtrend, but based on the analysis, it looks like an uptrend may now be starting. This is because price has broken above the middle line with strong bullish candles, and a strong bullish candle is still forming, which may indicate the beginning of a strong uptrend. If the overall market movement is in a downtrend, do not take a position against the downtrend. It is better to avoid it. So this entry has resulted in a loss. Sometimes the market does not move according to our analysis, which is why trade management is important. So this is also quite a good chart. The market is recovering from the lower line and showing a fairly fast upward movement. It has also broken above the middle line with a strong green candle, which indicates a strong bullish movement. At the same time, both moving average lines have crossed each other in the upward direction, which shows that stronger bullish pressure is present here. Today the market is showing a lot of volatility, which is why the price movement is not behaving clearly. For this reason, we will need to end today's session here. I believe you now have a clear idea of how this strategy works. However, it is important to practice it on a demo account first. See you in the next video.